according to media reports, a Czech court has approved the extradition of Nikhil Gupta, a 52-year-old Indian man accused of the United States of involvement in an alleged plot to murder Khalistani terrorist Gurpatwant Singh Pannun on American soil. The final call, of course, rests in the hands of the Czech Justice Minister Pavel Blazek. Now, Gupta, who was detained by Czech authorities in June last year in Prague, is accused by US federal prosecutors of collaborating with an Indian government official in a scheme to kill Pannun, who is a Sikh separatist with dual US and Canadian citizenship. Now, according to the Czech news portals, Gupta argued that there was a case of mistaken identity and contested that he was not the person that the United States was looking for. Now, in fact, the Czech Republic does have a history of approving US extraditions as well. Kadambini joins us with more details. Kadambini, two courts have already approved. The Justice Minister is going to take the final call on the extradition. What can we expect from this?
Well, as you've said that Czech Republic has a history of extraditing on the request of American government, and this time as well, this is something which is very important to see. Now, extradition has been challenged by Nikhil Gupta in the lower court. Lower court had denied his challenge, and then it had gone to the appeals court. Appeals court also asked the government what it should be, asked for its advice. The government said that the appeal should be denied, and that is exactly what has happened. Now, the appeals court as well has turned down Gupta's request that he not be extradited to the US. And now the decision lies in the hands of the Justice Ministry. Now, Justice Ministry can raise objections about the decision of the court, or can ask for clarification within 3 months. Apart from that, Gupta can also go to the Constitution Court in Czech Republic. So it is not as if he is being extradited immediately. That if that has to happen, that will happen through the Justice Ministry. Now, this will also be testing the diplomatic relations between India and the Czech Republic. We had seen how one of the very high-ranking officials had been in India just this month and last month, and there is also an issue of how it will be handled between Czech Republic and the US. Now, there is the case in the US against Nikhil Gupta, and the allegations are that there was an Indian official on whose directions he was conspiring to murder Khalistani terrorist Gurpatwant Singh Pannun on American soil. Now, this is a very serious allegation, and it is in the court, so it's a difficult situation there. Now, everything rests on Czech government whether they approve of this extradition immediately, or it takes time and something else emerges.